Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. In this video, I'll be creating this pretty colorful halo eye with a little bit of glitter. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then please continue to watch. So taking the Morphe 35B palette, dipping right into this matte pink color, I am blending this in using this as my transition shade, and this is a BH Cosmetic 101 blending brush. Dipping back into the Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking this matte purple color and I'm taking the same brush. I have like 2 or 3 of these brushes, so I'm placing this color directly in my crease and I'm really going to build this color up, and yeah, I'm just deepening the crease. So next, I'm just adding black to the inner and outer area of my eye only because, like I said, we're going for a halo eye, and I'm using the black eyeshadow in the same palette on a Sigma E25 blending brush. So next, I'm just going to carve out the center of my eye with the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer, and I'm placing that directly in the middle, and I'm just going to use this flat brush that I use all the time to do a cut crease, to just get that perfect cut, you know, in your crease for looks like this. This is a BH Cosmetic brush. I'll link, well not link, I'll place the number and all the other brushes I use down in the description. So I'm doing this just so the next eyeshadow I place on top will become more vibrant. Go back into the 35B palette. I'm taking this shimmering green eyeshadow on a Sigma E54 brush, and I'm going to spray my brush before I place the eyeshadow just so it'll become more vibrant and, you know, just popping. I'm placing that directly on the concealer, and honestly, you guys, I just came up with this color combination. I didn't know where I was going with this look. I did this on Snapchat. That's why I came on here with one eye already done. You guys should definitely add me because I've been doing some mini tutorials on there, and I plan on doing a lot more. So after I've placed the green, I'm just going to blend out the edges with the same black eyeshadow so nothing is harsh. So in the middle of the green, I decided to add the yellow shimmer eyeshadow in the center. I just thought it'd make it pop a little bit more, and this eyeshadow is the only yellow shimmer eyeshadow in the 35B palette. And next we are going to apply some glitter. Of course I had to apply some glitter, y'all. So this is my duo eyelash glue. It's the green duo eyelash glue. I love the applicator on that one. And this glitter is the NYX silver glitter. I never use eyelash glue all over my eye for glitter, just for like little lines here and there, you know. So next, I'm just going to go ahead and do my wing. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, the black eyeliner. And I'm just going to do a wing. And I did this wing with one hand, y'all. Like, what? So I'm just going to do a wing. And I actually zoomed in last minute. Like, I'm placing this NYX White Eyeliner right on top. And you can see closely that I did mess up. But it's okay, you know. You can always go back and fix it. But yeah, I'm just going to place this white eyeliner right on top. And like I said, if you did end up messing up like I did with the white eyeliner, all you have to do is go back in with the black one and just clean up right underneath and try to make it as perfect as possible. So moving on to skin. I'm of course going to be moisturizing with the Pond's Face Moisturizer. So now I'm using this new product from Amazing Cosmetic. This is their Illuminating Primer, and I'm just going to apply this on my face as well to give me that extra glow underneath my foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Caramel, and I'm going to place this all over my face and blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. So this is a great foundation if you were looking for a medium coverage foundation. If you were looking for a foundation that has a matte finish, this is great if you have oily skin, and it's affordable. That's the best part to me. So I'm going to just continue blending this all out, and we will move on to concealer. So for concealer, I'm still using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this one's in the shade Tan Sand, and girl, I'm going to use all of this up. This thing was like $30. But I'm going to be buying a whole bunch of new makeup soon. This is running out, and I need to get a new one. So yeah, I'm just going to place this on my chin, underneath my eyes, everywhere that I need to conceal and highlight. And I'm blending this all out with the same sponge that I blended my foundation out. I feel like if you use the same brush or sponge you blend out your foundation with to blend out your concealer, everything will be even more seamless and flawless. Now I'm going to go ahead and set all the areas that I concealed with airspun powder, which you can find at the drugstore. And the way I set my concealer is I just keep on pressing the powder in to set it. I don't bake. I just don't like the feeling. I don't like the way it looks after. So this is how I set my concealer. To contour, I'm using the NYX Highlight Contour Palette, dipping into these two shades, and this is a small contour brush that I got from Marshalls. I still get a lot of questions on what brushes I use. Most of them don't even have a name anymore because I've been using them forever, and I get all my brushes from Marshalls, TJ Maxx. I'm going to start doing some vlogs here and there this year. That's what I plan to do. And take y'all shopping with me, and you know, find some good deals with me and some bomb makeup brushes. And yeah, BH Cosmetic have good brushes as well, and they're all very affordable. I'm gonna now quickly go ahead and set my makeup with this Kiss Cosmetic Pro Touch setting spray. For blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush, and I forgot the name, you guys, but it'll be down in the description box, and I'm applying this with a Real Technique blush brush. To highlight, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in Precious Petals with my large fan brush that I got from Marshalls. And to finish off the eyes, I'm taking the Kiss Cosmetic Luxury Eye Crayon. I really love these, you guys. They're so pigmented and they last so long. They don't smudge or anything. Yeah, I'm just going to smoke this out in the lower lash line, and this is in the shade Burgundy, but it's purple, but it's in the shade Burgundy. So I'm going to finish off this look with the Pretty Conceited liquid lipstick in Old Natural, and this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do recreate this look, please tag me. I love to see it. Don't forget to subscribe because I have a lot more videos coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.